This is my small dose recipe for the CAFEC Deep 27. I'm using these Ethiopian Yirgacheffe natural beans. We are brewing at 93 degrees Celsius, and we are dosing 8 grams of coffee, with our ratio being 8 grams to 130 grams for this one. We are grinding at a medium to medium fine grind size because this dripper is very fast. This is what my grind looks like. Now, I really like this dripper because it allows you to brew really small doses, like I've brewed as low as 6 grams, and this allows me to enjoy coffee at night. With the filter, I do want it to adhere to the sides like so, and a trick I saw people do is actually pull it from the bottom like you're seeing here, and this ensures that it sits nicely in the dripper and avoids bypass. Now let's brew this thing, and I'm gonna brew this with 0 cuts, so hopefully you can see my approach. We're gonna start off with a 30-ish gram bloom, so just over a 1 to 3 bloom, and you'll want to grab a chopstick as well, which I forgot to mention at the start, because we are just gonna stir this and ensure that it is adequately saturated. The reason I'm doing this is just to saturate all of the coffee, because this dripper does run very fast, and sometimes I've seen that it sort of channels when you don't agitate it enough at bloom. Now, aside from using this to brew coffee late at night, I also just use this whenever I need to brew small doses, which is a pretty common occurrence for me. Like when you're at the end of your bag and you don't have a perfect 13 to 15 gram dose, this brewer is perfect. And now we are coming up to our second pour. I am now going to try to pour up to the 70 gram mark, so that is plus 40 grams from our initial bloom pour. I normally try to maintain a pretty minimalist dripper collection, but I have found that this is just one of those drippers that I use quite a lot just because it has a specific use case that is not really filled by a V60 or a traditional flat bottom dripper. The timings here are not super exact for me. I just wait until the bed fully drains until my next pours. So now we are pouring our third pour up to 100, so that is plus 30 grams, and then we wait another few seconds. By the way, if it's your first time watching my content, my name is Paolo. I used to work in the coffee industry for a very short time, but I've been making coffee at home now for the past 10 years. I haven't really made a lot of longer form YouTube content, but if you like this video, let me know and I might make more of them. Now we are starting our final pour, and this is going to be up to the 130 gram mark. I also just like to give this another final chopstick driven agitation at the end before everything draws down. Now, total brew time for this recipe can vary from 1 minute 30 seconds to 2 minute 30 seconds. I don't really worry too much about brew time. Instead, I just let taste be the judge. If you are finding that it is really hollow or sour, grind finer. If you are finding it's bitter, then grind coarser. But for this one, I finished at around 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm now doing what's called post-brew mineralization, which is just adding minerals like seasoning. We're using Apex Lab, and I am adding 2 drops of tonic and 1 drop of lilac. Now we are just pouring to my favorite mug, and it is time for me to enjoy this coffee and edit this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, maybe even consider subscribing. See you in the next one.